അതിയായ സന്തോഷമാണ് ഇന്ന് ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ. കാരണം വീണ്ടും നല്ലൊരു പൊന്നോണം ആഘോഷിക്കുവാനും ആ ആഘോഷത്തിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുവാനായി പാതാളരാജ്യത്ത് നിന്ന് നമ്മളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഇവിടെ വരുവാൻ കുറച്ചധികം ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടി. കാരണം എന്താണെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്നും പ്ലെയിനിലേക്ക് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുന്ന സമയത്ത് പന്നിപ്പനിയാണെന്നും പറഞ്ഞ് നമ്മളെയും പിടിച്ചു നിർത്തി കുറേ നേരം നമ്മളെ ചെക്കിങ് എല്ലാം നടത്തി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരേണ്ടി വന്നത്. ഈ ഒരു അവസരത്തിൽ നിങ്ങളെ കാണുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ ക്ഷേമം അന്വേഷിക്കുക എന്നുള്ള ഒരു കർത്തവ്യം നമ്മളിൽ എന്നെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് മാത്രം നാം ഇവിടെ വരുവാനും നിങ്ങളെ കാണുവാനും എനിക്കൊരവസരം കിട്ടി. നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും സമ്പൽ സമൃദ്ധമായ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ഓണാശംസകളും നേർന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ നിർത്തുന്നു.
Now I welcome Ajay Malhotra for the inauguration.
King Mahabali, President of the Kuwait Gnania Cultural Association, General Secretary of the KKCA, distinguished dignitaries on the dais and other high-level guests who have come here for today's function. At the outset, let me say how delighted I am to be here today. First of all, Happy Onam. I bring you the greetings of over 1.1 billion brothers and sisters who are in India on this very happy occasion. I think there is no better way to celebrate it than to come out as a community and enjoy this very old and traditional festival. In my viewpoint, Onam is perhaps one of the finest festivals we have in India. It brings together in joy and happiness all the people, all the communities. It's a festival which cuts across all lines, all barriers. It is, as the General Secretary of KKCA said, it is truly an example of unity in diversity. I feel particularly pleased to be here with you since I know about your community and I have friends in your community. And when I look and see the way you all assembled here, the men attired in their fine lungi outfits and the ladies in their sari, in their dresses, and all the children also really here to enjoy themselves, it gives me a lot of pleasure. I think this is really the best way that we can show the world how as a community we not only know how to work hard, we are not only disciplined and talented, but also we know how to enjoy ourselves in the evenings. Onam has a very fine reputation. I think if King Mahabali is here, he will be very impressed with the way the community is functioning, and he'll be happy to see that all is well with his subjects in Kuwait, at least. If you look at our relationship between India and Kuwait, and in particular India and Kerala, it goes back many, many centuries. It is a relationship of friendship and trust, and I feel very honored and happy that the people of India who are in Kuwait are doing such a fine job in creating such a good impression about our motherland. Whoever I have met at whatever level, they've always spoken very highly of the Indian community here, of it being disciplined, talented, hardworking, and all the good qualities that you would like to see in any community. So for me, it is a very pleasant task to be your ambassador in Kuwait. It makes my life so much easier and enjoyable. And I thank you very sincerely for that. There's another aspect that is very important, and that is how we spend our free time. And I think up here, associations such as KKCA have a very important role to play. It is easy to get distracted, and I do know that in Kuwait there may not be many other attractive opportunities for spending an evening beyond eating out and doing a few other things. So I think given those constraints, associations such as yours have a very important role to play to see that the members of the community are involved in good pursuits, are involved in pursuits which are happy and joyous, are involved in pursuits which involve the entire family. And I think Onam again is a very fine example of how all this comes together in a celebration which involves every community, every aspect of society actually. So for me, there is no better way than to congratulate you and thank you and to say that as your ambassador, I'm here to serve you in every way. I can tell you that we have put in certain efforts to improve the situation in terms of handling whether it's consular work or welfare work. And I do see certain changes. We will be doing more. We have started a Indian Workers Welfare Center at the embassy. We have also outsourced all our consular work to outsourcing centers. I think all these things will also make people who now visit the embassy a little happier. Maybe not joyful, but at least a little happier. And we will certainly continue to work harder to improve this situation further. That is my commitment to you, and you will see that I will try and implement it in every way. I also intend, and I'm announcing this, I also intend writing regularly to the community. I have written once, but I will do so again, and so that there can be some proper contact. It is a very large community. We are almost 600,000 Indians in Kuwait, and all concentrated in one city, more or less. So it makes it important that one reach out in different ways and stay in touch with that community. And I will certainly put in my best effort to do so. But meanwhile, let me not stand in the way of the fun, the gaiety, the joy, and the celebrations that have to go with marking this very great festival of Onam. I can see the beautiful Pukalam work that has been done, and I can see that everyone's ready to enjoy themselves and have a good feast and festival ahead. Let me, from my side, wish you congratulations on Onam. Thank you for all you have done, and wish you a very enjoyable and happy year ahead for you, all members of your families, and all your friends. Have a healthy, happy, and prosperous year till the next Onam and till King Mahabali comes again to visit us. So, thank you, and as from the few words I know in Malayalam, Valari Valari Nanni. Thank you.
ഹോളി കമ്മ്യൂണിയനുള്ള കുട്ടികളെ ആദരിക്കുകയാണ്. ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട ഇന്ത്യൻ അംബാസിഡർ ഇവിടെ പേര് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് തമന്ന തോമസ് കല്ലുകീരിപ്പറമ്പിൽ, ദീപു ജേക്കബ്, മെർവിൻ തോമസ്, അഗ്ന ബിബു, ഗ്രേസ് തോമസ്, അനിത് ആന്റണി, ആൽവിൻ കുഞ്ഞുമോൻ, ആകാശ് സജി, ജോബിന ജോജി, ജസ്വിൻ അനിൽ, മരിയ തോമസ് ചാക്കോ, അഖിനാഥ് ബിബു, ക്രിസ്റ്റീന പാപ്പച്ചൻ, ഏപ്പച്ചൻ, ജെന്നി ജോസഫ്.